kicking off the day editing yesterday's vlog. I think I like the look with the Pro Mist filter on. I'm going to leave it on for a few more days and get more practice with it, but yeah, I think it looks good. Just had a very good call with a bride getting married later this year. I always think it's a good idea to have a call with anyone before they book, so that I can hear a little bit more about their wedding and so they can hear a little bit more about how I work, but mostly just to make sure that we get on and that we're a good fit, because I can't imagine anything worse than having someone there on your wedding day that you just don't like. So yeah, always a good idea to have those calls, and that one went really well. Oh man, this weather is relentless. Where's spring at? Come on. So it's 5:10 and I'm only just now finishing editing yesterday's vlog. It's taken me ages to put the little side-by-side comparison videos together, and you can barely see a difference. It's definitely there, but I really know what I'm looking for. I've got a feeling that you guys are going to be like, what is going on here? These are the same images. The biggest difference is that there's a lot more flare with the Pro Mist filter, which is quite nice. So I think past a certain point, things that I'm doing to improve your wedding film are only going to make a tiny difference. It's all incremental gains. So those changes in isolation look like they're not really doing much, but together they really do make an impact. So, deciding to use this filter, taking a second to remove a fire exit from the background of the shot. I've just spent €700 on a wedding filmmaking course covering everything from the very basics, and a lot of it, to be honest, isn't going to be helpful, but it may well make me just that 1% better. That again is an incremental gain that, together with all these other things, is going to make a difference. And on that note, I'm going to spend the next couple of hours watching some of that wedding filmmaking course.